Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can import a music file, an audio file in Python. It could be an extension file of MP3 or WAV. We will use different libraries for both type of these extensions. Okay, so starting off with importing MP3 audio file in Python. So we have to use a library called PlaySound. We have to download it using our terminal. So first of all, I will just open the terminal, and now I'll type pip install PlaySound, and then if I hit just enter, it would start to install the module. Okay, so now we will just import the PlaySound module from PlaySound import PlaySound, and then in the second line we will type PlaySound, and then here in string we have to add the path of this mp3 audio file. So the path is you like it dot mp3, and then if I just save this and run it over here, I can name. So you can see that you can hear that the audio has been started as we just run this program. Okay, so moving on to import the audio file with the extension of WAV. So to import this file, we have to use a built-in library of Python, which is winsound. Import winsound, and then we have just print that for the acknowledgement that the song or the audio file is running. Okay, and then we are gonna when sound dot play sound, which would be the first argument would be the path of this, which is view like it dot wav, and the second argument is the del, which is with sound dot snd underscore file name. Make sure the path which you enter the audio file which you are using is in the same file which is which has this Python script in which you are running the Python script. It should both of the files and the script should be in the same file. So now if I just save this and run this over here, so you can hear that the song has started to play, even it has the exception of the. Okay, so now I will give you a bonus trick which you can use using the winsound module. We will first import the winsound module, and then we will also import the random module from random import rand range. This is basically a built-in feature of this winsound which will start a beep sound whenever you run this program. You can prank your friends and etc. So I'll just import the random and winsound, and then I'm gonna winsound dot beep, and then first of all we have to define the frequency and the duration of the beat. Frequency should be range, and it should be of 5000 hertz, and the duration can be either, it's up to you. I'll just set it to 30,000, and I'll define these variables over here. Frequency and duration is equals to duration. So we will add this into a for loop which will start beeping continuously. Yeah, now if I just run this program for I in range. Okay, so if I just run this program, you can hear the beep sound. Okay, so that's it for today's video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.